because making a product is not a big deal. China, salute to China. You can give them any kind of product, they can deliver you at your doorstep. But how you are going to position yourself? How do you see your company in the market? Are you a market leader, or are you a passive seller? Are you aggressive seller? Are you selling to a niche marketing, some specific people, right? Luxurious, products are you making, right? So you need to make a game plan to identify yourself so that you can be different from your competitor. If you are doing the same and others are doing the same, then what's your core strategy? How are you going to survive? If other competitor decreases the price, you will be out from the market. And business environment is changing so fast. This COVID-19 has given you the idea, right? Many businesses are just closed down in a matter of days. People lost their job. They were thinking that nobody can fire us for another 10 years or 20 years. Their businesses are gone. You know, their jobs are gone. They were struggling, right? Some people are enjoying, these holidays, sitting on the chair, watching TV, watching Netflix, and still earning money, right? So look at that, how business environment is changed in during 2 years. It took 150 years from businesses to move on from wheel-based system to the steam-based system. So previously, things are produced from, there's going to be a wheel, you move the wheel and all the stuff, the production process started, and there's going to be a man who was doing labor force who basically moved the wheel. So wheel-based machinery. But then the steam engine came, and in which you just, boil the water and steam goes over there and it automatically works. It took 150 years to adopt the chain and all the stuff businesses took, and the change was very extremely slow. But now, due to this rapid technology and all the stuff, it's a matter of seconds, matter of days, matter of minutes. Look at financial websites, financial institutions, forex market. If anything change, you can see the effect over there. Look at right now the currency of Russia, disastrous. Look at the current currency of right now, the Turkish currency, lira, crashed. Venezuelan peso, or maybe, yeah, peso or maybe dollar, Venezuelan currency crashed, right? It's a matter of days, a matter of minutes. That's it. So a strategy is a bigger game plan in which, of course, if you need to survive in the market, you need customers. So that's why you need to attract customers, right? So, and how you're going to describe yourself, how, or distinguish yourself, or how you are going to make yourself different from your competitors. Otherwise, you won't survive. So the focal point here is on the customer, because for companies, survivability or sustainability directly links to the customers. Look at Samsung. Before, I think, if you just look its history, not more than 10 years ago, they were a home appliance company. Washing machine, refrigerator, this kind of. Now, its biggest chunk of revenue is coming from high-tech gadgets, mobile phones, laptops, watches, all this stuff. And now they are also going into the medical type of stuff, right? So they have positioned themselves, changed from all the same strategy copied by LG. Where is LG right now? You won't see any of its mobile phone, or the previously Sony Ericsson mobile phone was heavily, there a lot of chunks, profit chunks are coming from mobile phone, but now their mobile phones are not very hot sale in the market. You have a biggest example of Nokia as well. More than 80% of mobile phone sales were held by Nokia. But where is it now, Nokia? Now it is in selling server services and all the stuff, making servers, big computers, and all those stuff. They are every time they are trying to revive themselves, but badly failed. The work of a management has uh, some books say three functions, some books say four function. So this book combines third and fourth, second and third combine and say that okay, planning, directing and motivating, and controlling. In some other books, it is planning, staffing, leading, and controlling. So second and third, basically, a role is they have just combined here. So in latest books, you will see that the management has four function: planning, staffing, leading, and controlling. But in some books, it says that planning, directing, and motivating, they combine all these two and then controlling. Right? So what is planning? Making strategies, making goals, right? First of all, you identify alternative. We are having into this business. How many alternatives we have? Do we have competitors here? How many competitors? How we can enter the market? How we can disturb the market and make our space? And then select the alternative that does the best job of furthering organizing for furthering organization's objective. So you need to choose best alternative which support your overall organization, and then you go into that one, develop budgets to guide process progress towards selected alternatives. So planning involves both long term and short term. In long term you make strategy, in short term you make small plans, right? So by achieving those plan on yearly basis, you are achieving your bigger goal, which is strategy, right? So directing and motivating or staffing on and leading. So basically you are directing the staff. How? By employing more staff, hiring smart people, caliber people, right? And the most important stuff of the manager is to motivate or lead, which is very important stuff. How they can do in a day-to-day activities, they are performing motivating stuff as employee work assignments. You make employees teams and you say that look, team means everybody is responsible for the work. If somebody is sick, somebody else is doing his work. It's not like that I did my job so I would be paid well, that's it, I won't do anything else. So if your team member is sick or something, you have to assume his responsibilities because you are a team, right? Your salary is linked with the team performance, not with your individual performance. Routine problem solving stuff. If you are in catering industry or hotel industry or restaurant business, so you know that if I spill something, if my waiter spills something on customer's shirt or or quote something, so what are the best norm, because this is the routine problem, how we are going to solve it. Do we have dry or something? Do we have some kind of dry clean some, well, by the time the customer basically finish its meal, its jacket is already clean and all those stuff. So do you have this kind of problem solving scheme, routine problem solving scheme, and do you give decisions at the spot to the employees as well? So these basically you are motivating your employees to provide good services, excellent services. Conflict resolution, it's a human nature. Even two brothers, two sisters, even brother and sisters, they cannot live in peace. Even in the same house, even couple always fight. So this is an organization where you spend like two-thirds or half of your life in an organization for work. So how can it be possible you will remain conflict free? So they're going to be a conflict resolution. And who is going to providing the counseling services? Manager. If manager